Hello, hope you all are well. This morning I'm going to be presenting and sharing my Sinatra MVC project using Active Record and SQLite for my database of a um, database for storing and using recipes because I know this certainly doesn't exist already on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and show what the user experience is and then go through the code itself. So um, upon opening through Shotgun and going to localhost, which Shotgun uses, takes you to this number one world's smallest recipe database. Users log in, and after logging in, they're able to see their own recipes as well as the recipes of others. They can edit their recipes. Let's say that they wanted a huckleberry and cinnamon because those pair quite nicely. They can update their recipe. Now it shows it to you, and then through this top nav bar are able to go through and look at all the recipes and as well as see other people's recipes. Looks like there luckily is a water recipe, so in case we forget how to make that. Um, Users then log out and then of course can create an accounts with error messages if the login fails or creating an account fails. Getting into the code itself, it is again this model view controller format with object-oriented programming, meaning that there are objects and associations or associating the objects together, where a recipe belongs to a user and a user has many recipes. Um, it has full CRUD, create, read, update, and destroy for the recipes themselves. Users can read others' recipes, but through this associations can only create, update, and destroy their own recipes. Um, and then through Active Record, this is the big part of the learning for me, was the creation of sessions and accounts themselves and how the protection works. So for the creation of the accounts, we have a user's controller, and it upon saving it, it does save the session. So then after creating an account, they don't have to just log in right away, but they are already logged in. Um, and one of the things is that they have secure password, and this is inherited from the Active Record base. And alongside my bcrypt gem, which salt and peppers, aka encrypting those passwords in, so nefarious players would not be able to have access to them. It does save that on the session side of the browser. Um, it uses Rake to help automate my tasks as I was creating the application. SQLite is the thing that is managing my database. Um, Shotgun using for the server itself. And the sessions controller having error messages if the login fails, and then of course the logout function. Um, and then it is getting displayed through ERB in my views of the model view controller model. Um, and then just a quick little look at the database. Users have um, names and a username for it, and then the recipes themselves has name and ingredients. And of course, both of them need the ID in order, or the recipes needing the user ID through that association. Um, and then lastly, the password digest is required by the has secure password that's getting inherited from Active Record. It does need this as part of that SQLite database model. Thank you so much for checking this out. Have a good day. Bye bye.